Okay, so I have two questions I'd like to go over with you on the review sheet before you start it. So the first one is number 12, and it's a word problem. Now, the reason I want to do this one is because there's three variables, not two, like last week. So that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so the question is, after Math League, which, by the way, the one at Helton is on January 14th, and everyone's going. Okay. Miss Capola takes her students out to enjoy delicious pizza at a place that sells pizza. Her students are so smart that they notice the following. Okay. So if you read the question, we've got pizza, wings, and meatball subs. So if we set up our let statement, let P equal, and they want us to find the price. So the price of a pizza. We'll let W represent the price of wings, and N equal the price of the meatball sub. Okay, so when we read the question now, our goal is to set up an equation here. You have to be careful, and it's kind of sneaky, so that's why I want to go over this one with you. Okay, so Miss Capola takes her students to enjoy some pizza. Okay. 3 pizzas and 2 orders of wings. Okay, so 3 pizzas and 2 orders of wings cost $4 more than 5 orders of meatball subs. So you have 2 options. This here is $4 more than 5 meatball subs. So what should I put here? Adding 4 would mean that this plus $4 is 5 meatball subs. We don't want that. We want to subtract 4, right? So 3 pizzas plus 2 wings minus $4 is equal to the price of 5 meatball subs. Right. Okay. So moving on. This should say twice. Okay. So twice the cost of 1 order of wings and 1 meatball sub. So twice the cost of 1 order of wings and 1 meatball sub. That's why I wanted to go over this one with you. You have to put that part in parentheses. The one on your test won't be that sneaky. Would be $2 less than 3 pizzas. So I've got 3 pizzas here. And if it's $2 less than this, either I'm going to add 2 here, right? So if I add $2 for it, that equals the price of 3 pizzas. Okay, now the last one. The combined cost of 1 order of wings and 1 meatball sub, so wings plus a sub, is $3 more than 1 pizza. So minus 3, right? Okay, now this system of equations that we just set up will not solve, we can't put this in on the calculator, right? Because when you think about our matrix, we want to have, okay, pizza, wings, a meatball sub, and then the number, right, in our augmented matrix. Oops, let me do this. Okay, so we have to set up this system like that. So the first system, the red system that I wrote, let me scroll down, would be 3p, that's fine, plus 2w, that's fine. Now the number has to go to the right side, and it's going to end up being a positive 4, right? And I need to subtract the 5m. Okay? Now, you have to be careful when you're setting everything else up that you do it the same way. So the blue equation, if I rewrite the blue one, it's 2w plus 2m plus 2 equals 3p. But I need to make sure that when I put it in here in the matrix, I put it in the right order. So I need pizza first, which I'm going to have to subtract the 3p over to the left. So it's going to be negative 3p. Then I need the wings, plus 2w, plus 2m. And then on the left is going to be negative 2. Okay? Now, the last one, I've got wings, meatball. I need to subtract the pizza over. So it's going to be negative p plus W plus M equals 3. Okay, this really isn't the matrix yet, so let me get all this stuff out of here, right? Because to set it up as a matrix, we need to get rid of the variables and set everything up. Okay, so now I'll turn it into a matrix. Oops. Okay, so we've got 3, 2, -5, line 4, -3, 2, 2, -2. Then I've got -1, 1, 1, 3, right? Is this one right? Oh no, it's supposed to be, yes, that's right. Okay, so what do I do with this now? You have to solve it. You do not have to solve it by hand. We're going to use the calculator. So if you take out your graphing calculators, you want, let me shrink this. Oh, this is the smallest it gets. I'll put it on this side. Try at least. You want to put in the matrix. In matrix A, in matrix A, I want to put in the 3-row matrix by 4 columns. Okay, so now I just type it in. I've got 3, 2, -5, 4, -3, 2, 2, -2. Then I've got -1, 1, 1, 3. Now, what I want my calculator to do is put in reduced row echelon form. So I go to the matrix menu again. I want to go to math, and I want to go to choice B, reduced row echelon form. You need the 2 R's, okay? Then I want it to solve for me matrix, A, right? That's when I put it in. Now if I hit enter, here's my answers. So now you just have to make sure that you set it up right. So if you look at this, I've got 1, hold on. Let's see, I'll use this arrow. So I've got here, oh, you can't see the arrow. What if I use a pen? Okay, so here I've got 1, since it's in this column, it's pizza. So 1 pizza cost $8. 1 order of wings cost $5. And 1 meatball sub costs $6. And that's our answer. Easy as pie.